What? You guys are come back for number 2? Oh, that's great. Hey guys, we have had an absolutely crazy week 2 of flying. Temperatures have been in the 60s. I got some new equipment, including the Dominator V3s here. Absolutely love them. Upgraded receiver inside of them, true diversity. Trying out some new props on here, a little bigger than my 4-inch ones. They seem to be performing a little better. And yeah, with these new goggles, I'll actually be able to record the FPV screen and put that in the video too. So we're just gonna fly in this pit here, see if we can do some tricks. Maybe go over there too. Just have some fun. Okay guys, we're here at a smaller park in town. It's about 60 degrees outside, which is perfect for the winter time. Go ahead and see what we can do here.